again, everyone, welcome back to my channel, and to those who are new, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to unbox my husband's anniversary gift. Actually, this is supposed to be a surprise anniversary gift, but the thing is, they put it in a box with a KitchenAid written on it. So basically, it's not a surprise at all. But my husband was surprised that they put a KitchenAid name outside of the box. I am so excited about this gift because I love baking and I do sell my baked goods. So with this, I know it will help me a lot to earn a little extra. So let's open it. Oh, it actually has a lot of colors. So there's red, and there is also, I guess, yellow, and black and white as well. So the color of this KitchenAid is it's black. Not really colors. So let's see. This is a little bit heavy. I move here so that you can have a better view. So it includes a wire, what do you call this? A wire whip. So this one is a wire whip where you can remove this one. If you just put it like this, you can put it like this. So this one is a wire whip. I also have a dough hook. This one is a dough hook where you are planning to bake a bread, so this one is a dough hook. And it also includes a beater shaft. This one is a beater shaft. This one. And actually you can also add like pouring shield. That's the pouring shield here. It's like a covered pouring shield and flex edge beater, but you can actually buy that separately. So this one is your bowl. This is where you can put your dough or mixture and goes like this. Put it up and lock it in. Okay, so this one is already locked. And put it down and lock this one. That's it. And on the other side, this one is a button where you can adjust on how fast would you like to run your beater. Here, it's all actually up to 10. And this one here, so this one here, this is where you can put some accessories like meat grinder. So this is where you can put it, or the pasta maker. So you can actually buy that separately. So I guess I need to save more so that I can buy some accessories of this mixer. But all in all, I really like this one, and I know this gadget will help me a lot in baking more goods, baking more bread, so that I can sell more, I can take more orders. So once again, I would like to thank you, Hans, for buying this for me, and I really appreciate this one. So it means more work for me. But anyway, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, Hans. Happy anniversary! Once again, I would like to thank you guys for watching my video for today, and I do hope you like my video, and please do watch out for my future vlogs. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like, and of course the bell button so that you will be notified for my future vlogs. Once again, thank you so much for watching.